Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. We see the chapter number 10, that is time. Today we see the telling time to 5 minutes. Okay, see, this is your clock, and in clock there are 12 big divisions. See here, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11 and 11 to 12. Means there are 12 big divisions on the face of the clock. If we look carefully, you will find that there are 5 smaller divisions between the two consecutive numbers or two big divisions. See here, 12 to 1. See here, how many division between two number? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means we get 5 smaller division between two big numbers. See here, this यहाँ पे देखो कितने डिवीजन है 1 2 3 4 5. अगेन बिटवीन 1 to 2 हाउ मेनी डिवीजन 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5 means between two consecutive number there are 5 smaller division. Okay, and each small division represent minute. This small division means we get this is minute 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. These are minute means in 1 hour the minutes hand goes once round the clock covering all 60 division. How many total division है कितने हो गए 60 क्योंकि between two number how many division are 5. Okay, 5 10 15 20 25 30, then 35 4 40 45, then 50 55 and 60 means how many total small division here 60 division. So when this minute hand move from when see move all these 60 division when in 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour में कितना ये मूव करेंगे मिनट हैंड पूरा 60 डिवीजन मूव होगा तो ये 1. So we write here 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay, now we see. You already know that how to write. Suppose the timing is how much timing in this clock? So small hand on or hour hand on 12 and this big needle or minute hand कहाँ पे on 1 means how much timing here? So count here 1 2 3 4 5 means how much timing 12 o'clock and कितने मिनट हो गए अभी 5 minutes. So you have to write in this way or 12 o'clock 5 minutes. Okay, this is your answer. Then again see, we see on next. Suppose this minute hand on 3. How much timing here? Now we see know that this is big needle on 3 means quarter past. Quarter past means 15 minutes. See here 5, this is 10 and 15 means timing. What is the timing in this clock? 12:15 or another way quarter past 12. Okay, this is another way. Again when big needle on suppose on 6, this is we equally divided this clock in two parts means when big needle on 6 the timing is half past. Okay, half past means 5 6 are how much 30. So 12:30. What is timing now 12:30 or half past 12. Okay, again we see when time big needle on 9. Then what is the when big needle on 9 or minute hand on 9 time is quarter to. Quarter to means how many minutes 45 minutes means 5 nines are. You have to write 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 means we get the answer 45 minutes but 12 o'clock 45 minutes or write to quarter 2. Now quarter to, अभी कितना होगा टाइमिंग? This hand also here. This 1. Quarter to 1. Okay. In this way we see the time. Now we see more example here. Now you remember that when minute hand, आपको क्या करना है? मिनट हैंड की पोजीशन देखनी है. Okay, we divide this clock into 2 equal part. Now see, we get 2 equal part. Okay, so when minute hand on this side, the time is past, you have to write here past, and when minute hand this side, so you have to write 2. ओके आपको याद रखना है, जब मिनट हैंड ए साइड होगा तो आपको पास्ट में लिखना है, और मिनट हैंड यूअर आपके लेफ्ट साइड में होगा तो आपको क्या लिखना है? 2. पास्ट एंड 2. रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ सी हियर, व्हाट इज द टाइमिंग हियर? दिस इज 6 o'clock complete. Okay, see, big small needle, go forward 6. So here 6 o'clock complete. After 6 o'clock, how many minutes? How to count? So minute hand on 4 means 5 4s are 20, means we get 6:20. This is your timing this way. Now how to write this timing? Now the minute hand देखो कहाँ पे? In this side, means you are right side. Right side है तो आपको क्या लिखना है? Past. तो write here 20 minute past 6 बज के कितने मिनट हो गए? 20 मिनट. सो सी 20 मिनट पास्ट 6. नाउ सी दिस इज क्लॉक. हाउ मच टाइमिंग इन दिस क्लॉक? सी ईयर 8 o'clock कंप्लीट हो गए. अभी कौन सा टाइमिंग होने वाला है? 9 o'clock हो गए. सो द सी मिनट हैंड कौन से साइड में है? यूअर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो यू हैव टू राइट 2. ओके आपको क्या करना है? 2 लिखना है. तो कैसे लिखोगे? 9, तो टाइमिंग 8 o'clock कंप्लीट हो गए. सो व्हेन यू हैव टू राइट दिस वे, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस 8 and 5 11 जा 55. 8:55. 8 o'clock complete and 50 minutes more. But now timing written in 2. So you have to write कितना टाइमिंग बाकी है. अभी आपको उल्टा काउंट करना है. ओके, दिस टाइम मीन्स 5 minutes. ये साइड से जाना है आपको, तो 5 minutes. तो राइट 5 minutes टू, अभी कौन सा टाइम है? 9. 5 minutes to 9. ओके, सी दिस साइड मिनट हैंड तो आपको 2 में लिखना है. वेन यूर राइट हैंड साइड मिनट हैंड तो आपको 5 लिखना है. नो नाउ वी सी मोर एग्जाम्पल हियर. सो अगेन हियर, see here clock. What is the timing in this clock? Okay, here 2 o'clock complete. So you have to write first 2. Needle कहाँ पे देखो? 2, between 2 and 3. So 2 o'clock complete. Now minutes. How many minutes? 5 8s are 40. Means 2 o'clock 40 minutes. Now in other way how to write? See minute hand कौन से side है? 2. Your left hand side. So आपको क्या लिखना है? 2. तो 2 मीन्स आपको कहाँ से काउंट करना है? दिस साइड. 5 10 15 20. देखो 5 दिस 10 15 20 मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट 20 minutes टू, अभी कौन सा o'clock होगा? 3 बजेगी. ओके, सो वेन आप 2 यूज़ करते हो तो नेक्स्ट नंबर लेना है. When you have to use 2, तो you have to take the next number. Okay, means 20 minutes to 3. Now in this clock, how much timing? See 1 o'clock complete, so you have to write 1 o'clock. Then how many minutes? Minute hand on 5 means 5 5s are 25. So 1 o'clock 25 minutes. Now check which side minute hand on your right hand side. So you have to write past. you have to write here past. So same number you have to use. 25 minutes past 1. 1 है मीन्स आपको पास्ट है, इसलिए हम वही सेम नंबर लिखेंगे. 5 minutes past to 1. Now we see one more example here. See, in this clock, what is the timing in this clock? Hour and on between 10 and 11 means 10 o'clock complete. And how many minutes? 5 2s are 10. 10 10. 10 o'clock 10 minutes. And other way how to write? See, minute hand on your right hand side, so you use the past. Past means, so write 10 minutes past 10. We use same number, 10 minutes and 10 hours. Both number are same. But see here in this clock, what is the timing? The needle between 5 and 6 means 5 o'clock complete. 5 o'clock, 5 tens are, this is minute hand on 10. 5 tens are 50 means 5 o'clock 50 minutes. Then how to write? See, minute hand on which side? Left hand side. So you use the 2. To 2 means आपको कहाँ से count करना है? From this side. 5 and this 10. 5 minutes, 5 plus 5, 10. 5 and again 5 means we get 10 minutes. So write 10 minutes to, अभी कौन सा टाइम होगा? We now change this number 5 to next number is 6. So 10 minutes to 6 means 6 o'clock को कितना टाइमिंग बाकी है? 10 minutes left. So in this way you have to complete the question number exercise 10.2. Question number 1 and 2 in your notebook. Sorry, in your textbook only. Thank you.